So, you want to learn how to solve a 2x2. Well, in this video, I will teach you how to use the Ortega method. So, I have this scramble here, and the first step is I'm going to make any face, so let's just make white for the sake of it. So, I got all the white pieces on the same side. Now look at the top and try to figure out which way all the yellow pieces are facing. And then you do one of 7 cases to solve this, to get all the yellow facing up, which I did. And then you do one of 5 cases to finish the solve. So now I will showcase each of the 12 cases on camera. So case 1, soon. Where this one's here, and this one's here. So what you do is R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime. The next case would be anti-soon, where this one's here, and this one's here. So the way you want to hold it is so that this sticker is facing away from you and on the left. So what you would do is R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. The next case is pi, which got its name because it looks like this little symbol pi. So the way it looks, this one's here, and these two are here. So if you can see it, it kind of looks like pi, the math term. So the way you hold it is that these two that are with each other are on your left side. So what you would do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Oh yeah, and a U2 of course, if you need to. The next case is U, where you have 2 corners facing up and a bar this way, which is called U because it makes a sort of U shape. So the way you want to hold it is that these two on the right side. So you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Next, you do the case which is called T, which got its name because it's like a T. So you want to hold it kind of how you held U with these two on the right side. So you do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And this next case is what people call the L/bow tie case, where it's like this. These two are apart from each other. So the way you want to hold it is that you want to have it where one corner is in the front right, and there's a piece facing you. So what you do is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. And last but certainly not least, H, or at least the last case for OLL, where these two are together and these two are together. What you do is R2, U2, R prime, U2, R2. Now this brings me to PBL. The way you do PBL is by recognizing the amount of bars horizontal bars a case has. So look, this case has 0 horizontal bars. Meanwhile, this case has 1. And then you've got some cases like this one, where there are 5 bars. So, this is the introduction to PBL. So, first one is no bar. It can look like this, straight up and down columns, all goofy looking like this, or this. Or, it can be a checkerboard type pattern. Either way, you do R2, F2, R2, and the necessary AUF after. The next case is when you have 1 horizontal bar, like this. So you want to hold the 1 horizontal bar in the top front, like this. R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. The next case is when you have 2 horizontal bars. Now they might not be together, like how this was, or they might not even be the same color. But what you do is you line them up on the same face like this. Then you do R2, U prime, B2, which means like the back layer, U2, R2, U prime, R2. Now, if you have 4 bars like this, so the whole bottom layer is solved, but then this one is weird. What you do is either you can, there's 2 ways to think about it. You can either learn the algorithm as itself, or you can learn it as 2 area cases back to back. So for 4 bar, what you would do is the L/bow tie case and then T, or you could do this: F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And for the last case of the video is when you have 5 bars. So what you want to do is you'll have a full solved layer and then these 2 on the top. So you want to hold them on the top left, and then you can either do this kind of like the last case where you can do this time T first and then L or bow tie, or you can do it like this: R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime.